Good morning students, I welcome you to the science video session of standard 5. You can see the birds. Birds are warm-blooded vertebrates. Vertebrates means they are having backbone. Birds are having 4-chambered heart. Birds are having feathers. They are toothless. They are not having teeth. They are having beaks. Come on students, let us learn some important terms and their meanings. Balanced diet. B-A-L-A-N-C-E-D. Balanced diet. D-I-E-T. A balanced diet is a diet that contains different kinds of foods in certain quantities and proportion. A balanced diet is a diet that contains different kinds of foods in certain quantities and proportion is called balanced diet. Ventilation. When, V-E-N, when, T-T-I-T, L-A-T-I-O-N, ventilation. Ventilation means the provision of fresh air to a room, building, etc. The provision of fresh air to a room, building, etc. is called ventilation. Vaccination. V-A-C-C-I-N-A-T-I-O-N. Vaccination. Treatment with a vaccine. V-A-C-C-I-N-E. To produce immunity against a disease. Vaccination is also known as inoculation. I-N-O-C-U-L-A-T-I-O-N. Inoculation. So vaccination means treatment with a vaccine to produce immunity against a disease. It is also known as inoculation. Cramps. C-R-A-M-P-S. Cramps. A painful, involuntary. I-N-V-O-L-U-N-T. T-A-R-Y. Involuntary. Contraction of a muscle. Contraction. Con. C-O-N. Contraction. T-R-A-C-T-I-O-N. Contraction of a muscle is known as cramps. Indigenous. I-N-D-I-G-E-N-O-U-S. Indigenous. Indigenous means originating or occurring naturally in a particular place, native. Indigenous, originating or occurring naturally in a particular place, native. Last class we learned about our environment introduction and we learned about farming. Different type of farming. In different type of farming we learn about dairy farms. Come on students, today we will learn about uses of cattle. Uses. Cattle are useful to us in a number of ways. Some of them are listed below. We get milk from cows. Cow's milk is essential minerals needed for us. Student, this is milk. Milk is obtained from cow, goat, etc. Bullocks are used to plough land, harvest and thrash crops. Bullocks. B-U-L-L-O-C-K-S. Bullocks. Look at this picture student. You can see the bullock. Bullock means a male domestic bovine animal that has been castrated and is raised for beef. Plough. P-L-O-U-G-H. Plough means a large farming implement with one or more blades fixed in a frame drawn over soil to turn it over and cut furrows in preparation for the planting of trees. Look at the plough student. H-A-R-V-E-S-T. Harvest. Harvesting is the process of gathering a ripe crop from the fields. Thrash. Thras, sketch. Thrash means beat repeatedly and violently with a stick or whip. Cattle are employed in transportation. Cattle dung is used as manure. Manure, M-A-N-U-R-E. Manure means animal dung used for fertilizing land. It is also used as fuel. Fuel, F-U-E-L, fuel. Fuel means material such as coal, gas or oil that is burned to produce heat or power. And for generation of biogas. Biogas, B-I-O, bio, gas, G-A-S, gas. Biogas is the mixture of gases produced by the breakdown of organic matter in the absence of oxygen, primarily consisting of methane and carbon dioxide. Biogas can be produced from raw materials such as agricultural waste, manure, municipal waste, plant material, sewage, green waste or food waste. Panchakavya, Panchagavya. Look at this picture, students. You can see the ingredients that are needed to make this Panchakavya. Panchakavya is an Ayurvedic medicine used in agriculture to control pests and fungi. Panchakavya or Panchakavyam is a mixture used in traditional Hindu rituals that is prepared by mixing 5 ingredients. The 3 direct constituents are cow dung, urine and milk. The 2 derived products are curd and ghee. These are mixed in proper ratio and then it is allowed to ferment. Fermentation, Fermentation. Fermentation is a metabolic process that produces chemical changes in organic substances through the action of enzymes. Ayurvedic medicine. Students, do you know what is Ayurvedic medicine? Ayurveda, A-Y-U-R-V-E-D-A. Ayurveda is a natural system of medicine originated in India more than 3000 years ago. The term Ayurveda is derived from the Sanskrit word Ayur means life, L-I-F-E, and Veda, V-E-D-A. Veda means science or knowledge. Thus, Ayurveda translated to knowledge of life. Pest, P-E-S-T, pest. A destructive insect or other animal that attacks crop, food, livestock, etc. Fungi, F-U-N-G-I. Fungi are group of living organisms which are classified in their own kingdom. This means they are not animals, plants or bacteria. It is a mixture of dung and urine of cows, fresh milks, curd, jaggery and ghee. See student, these are the ingredients used to prepare Panchakavyam. These 3 are direct products obtained from cow. See student, this is cow dung. This is cow's milk. This is cow's urine. These 2 are derived products obtained from cow. See student, this is curd and this is ghee. We have to mix all these 5 ingredients in the correct proportion to get Panchakavyam. After mixing this, we have to allow them to ferment. Come on students, let us mix all these 5 ingredients. Now I had took cow's urine in this glass tumbler. Now I am adding milk. Now I am going to add this cow dung. Students, now I am going to add ghee. See students, I am going to add curd. This we have to allow to ferment, and then this when we are going to the plant means the plant will grow well. I am preparing in small quantity, but in the field they are preparing large quantity of Panchakavyam. What are the 5 ingredients we add to prepare Panchakavyam, students? 3 direct products are milk, cow dung and cow's urine. 2 direct products are ghee and curd. Leather goods are manufactured from cattle hides. Leather is a durable and flexible material produced from the animal hide. See student, this is leather bag. So we can use this leather bag for so many years. And then they are flexible. See student, this is leather pouch. This leather pouch has been prepared from the hide of the animals. So what is the use of this pouch? Pouch is mainly useful for us to keep our money safely and then keep our cell phone, etc. Cattle hides, C-A-T-T-L-E, hides, H-I-D-E-S, hides. Cowhide is the natural unbleached skin and hair of a cow. It retains the original coloring of the animal. Cowhide is frequently processed into leather. Students, do you know about fowls? Fowls are a bird, especially a chicken that is kept on a farm. Poultry farms, P-O-U-L-T-R-Y, poultry. Farms, F-A-R-M-S. Poultry farming is the form of animal husbandry which raises domesticated birds such as chickens, ducks, turkeys, T-U-R-K-E-Y-S, turkeys. A large, mainly domesticated game bird native to North America having a black head and red wattles. It is prized as food, especially on festival occasions such as Thanksgiving and Christmas. And geese, G-O-O-S-E, goose. In plural it is known as geese, G-E-E-S-E, geese. Look at this picture student, you can see a goose. Goose is a bird of any of several waterfowl species. Geese are heavy birds and they fly fast over 30 miles per hour. Using powerful wings, beats rather than gliding like eagles or vulture. See students, you can see the pigeon. Pigeons are gentle with the skin and forehead. Because of their long wings and powerful flight muscle, they are strong swift flyers. Pigeons are considered to be one of the most intelligent birds on the planet. The pigeon can recognize all 26 letters of the English language. See student, this is pigeon or dove. This pigeon is a very intelligent bird. It is used in olden days to carry the message from one place to another place. To produce meat or eggs for food. It has originated from the agricultural era poultry. Mostly chickens are farmed in great numbers. Chicken occupy 90% of the total poultry. Poultry birds grown for meat are called broilers. Layers are the female fowls grown for egg production. Proper management of poultry includes methods of hatching. Hatching means to make a baby bird, etc. come out of an egg. Rearing. Rearing is the process of keeping, feeding, breeding and medical care of useful animals or birds. Housing. Housing means living spaces. Sanitation. Sanitation means the equipment and systems that keep places clean. Prevention of diseases and a sound marketing system. In Tamil Nadu, famous poultry farms are found in places like Namakkal, Palladam and Chennai. Come on students, let us learn about the breeds. B-R-E-E-D-S. Breeds means a stock of animals or plants within a species having a distinctive appearance and typically having been developed by deliberate selection. There are more than 100 breeds of fowls. Fowls are classified on the basis of their utility to man. They are meat-egg. Meat-egg means broiler.
See student, this is broiler chicken. Broiler breeder farms, which are operated by broiler hatching egg farms, raise female and male birds who are the parents of broiler chicken. These hens and roosters made to produce fertilized egg, which are sold to broiler hatches for incubation.
Egg type means egg layer and dual type. Hazel, Chittagong, Gorgus.
See student, this is Gorgus. Gorgus is one of the important native chicken breeds of India. It is a medium-sized bird with good mothering ability character. See the bird student.
Basra, Brahma and Cochin are some of the breeds found in our country.
See student, this is country chicken. Country chicken are the most popular chicken in Tamil Nadu. They are reared in cage system. Through the integrated farming system, farmers will get more profit.
Local and indigenous birds are reared in rural places. Traditionally, these birds have a poor meat production capacity compared to commercial broiler and layers. Students, do you know India ranks 5th in poultry production in the world? White Leghorn is the most egg-yielding breed in the world. See students, in this chart you can see the Plymouth chicken. The Plymouth, it is also known as Plymouth Rock, is an American breed of domestic chicken. It is a dual-purpose breed raised both for its meat and for its brown eggs. See students, in this picture you can see the Kadaknal chicken. See, this is Kadaknal chicken. See the egg color students, the egg is also black in color. The chicken is also black in color. Kadaknal is a rare breed chicken, a native of Madhya Pradesh in India. Kadaknal. Kadaknal means something strong and it is a jet black in color. Its flesh, blood, bone, everything is black in color.
Students, now you can see number of chicken breeds. See students how the chicken are reared in this form.
Feeding. F-E-E-D-I-N-G. Feeding. Poultry birds need proteins, carbohydrates, fats, minerals and vitamins. Proteins. P-R-O-T-E-I-N-S. Proteins are macromolecules minerals. Minerals are solid substances that are present in nature. Vitamins. vitamins. Vitamins are organic compounds that are needed in small quantities to sustain life for growth and meat production. Come on students, let us learn about the feeds given to the poultry birds. Bajra, barley, maize, rice bran, wheat, etc. are the feed given to the poultry birds. Bajra means pearl millet is the most widely grown type of millet. Barley. Barley is a member of the grass family and it is a major cereal grain grown in temperate climates globally. Maize. It is also known as corn. Rice bran. Rice bran means hard outer layers of cereal grain. Apart from this, poultry birds also feed on wheat, oil cake, fish meal, bread and green residues of vegetables or the feed given to the poultry birds.
See student, these are the grains given to the poultry birds. Examples are wheat, millet, corn, sunflower and millet. Pet birds eat grain since it can lead into calcium deficiency in the longer term. The seed should be no more than 50 to 60% of the total diet. Students, how the mother chicken taking care of the young chick. See students, how the chick are gathering grains with his mother.
Come on students, let us learn about the poultry products. What are the products we are getting from the poultry birds? P-O-U-L-T-R-Y, poultry products. P-R-O-D-U-C-T-S. Poultry birds benefit us in many ways. They are giving egg, meat and manure are the three main benefits we get from them. Poultry birds are good source of nutritive food. Nutritive, N-U-T-R-I-T-I-V-E. Nutritive means providing nourishment. Eggs laid by them are rich source of protein. These are easily digestible. They contain minerals like calcium, potassium and iron, vitamins and moderate amount of fat. Their feathers. Feathers are used for making pillows and quilts. Quilts means a coverlet for a bed made up of 2 layers. See students, what is this? This is feather. Feather of a chicken. So what is the use of this feathers in birds? Mostly birds are the only animal that have feathers. These feathers help the birds to fly. These feathers protect the birds during cold condition. But poultry birds' feathers are used to make pillows, quilts, etc. Dropping of the poultry birds is used as manure. It is highly valuable for crops. Egg contains minerals like calcium, phosphorus and sodium and vitamins like B1, B2 and D. Nutritious content of egg is water 66%, protein 21%, fat 9% and minerals 3.5%. See student, this is country egg and this is white leghorn egg. You compare the size students. Country egg are brown in color. We are having brown shell egg. White leghorn eggs are having white color shell. So the difference in the color of the shell is due to the pigment present in the egg. So the egg laid by Plymouth and Rock, we are having brown colored eggshell and this is the egg laid by white leghorn egg. Come on students, let's do an experiment to find out whether an egg is a good egg or spoiled egg. Come on students, let us find out whether this egg is a good one or spoiled one. To find out, we need a beaker or vessel. In the vessel, we have to take the water and then we have to pop the egg into it. Now I am dropping the egg into the vessel containing water. See what happens, students? If it sinks and lies horizontally at the bottom, means it is fresh and perfect egg. Instead, if this egg is not sinking, if it is floating, means and then the egg is a spoiled one. Come on students, let us learn about the disease that are caused by the poultry birds. Poultry diseases. P-O-U-L-T-R-Y. Poultry diseases. D-I-S-E-A-S-E-S. If poultry animals or birds are not cared or fed properly, they suffer from a number of diseases. Poultry birds affected by virus suffer from fever and diarrhea. Fowl cholera is caused in them by bacteria. Fowl cholera is a contagious bacterial disease of birds. Bacteria. B-A-C-T-E-R-I-A. Bacteria, also called germs, are microscopic organisms not visible with the naked eye. Overexposure to wet and cold condition causes cramps in the poultry birds. Poultry birds are affected by internal parasites like roundworm and tapeworm. Tapeworm, a plant or an animal that lives in or another plant or animal and get its food from it. They are also affected by external parasites like fleas, lice, ticks, etc. Come on students, let's do the activity 4 given in your book in page number 76. Look at this activity 4 students. They had given you some revolution. They are asking you to write the answer. Before going to write the answer, you must know what are the revolution mentioned in your book and what is the meaning for the revolution. First of all, we must know what is revolution. Revolution, R-E-V-O-L-U-T-I-O-N. Revolution means a forcible overthrow of a government or social order in favor of a new system. First one is Green Revolution, G-R-E-E-N, Green. Revolution, R-E-V-O-L-U-T-I-O-N. Green Revolution means a large increase in crop production in developing countries achieved by the use of artificial fertilizers, pesticides and high yield crop varieties. What are the advantages of this Green Revolution? Green Revolution allows agricultural operation on a large scale. Green Revolution was brought farming to a massive scale. Blue Revolution, B-L-U-E, Blue Revolution, R-E-V-O-L-U-T-I-O-N, Blue Revolution. Blue Revolution means the concept of rapid increase in the production of fish and marine products through package program is called as Blue Revolution. Silver Revolution, Silver, S-I-L-V-E-R, Silver Revolution, R-E-V-O-L-U-T-I-O-N, Silver Revolution. Silver Revolution is the revolution which deals with the production of poultry farming with the help of hens, ducks, turkeys and geese. It is said that it was started in 2000s. Gold Revolution, G-O-L-D, gold. Revolution, R-E-V-O-L-U-T-I-O-N, gold revolution. The period between 1991 to 2003 is known as the period of Golden Revolution in India. The Golden Revolution is related to the production of honey and horticulture. It is a part of the important agricultural revolutions in India. YELLOW, yellow, revolution, REVOLUTION. Yellow revolution refers to increase in oil production, the growth, development and adaptation of new varieties of oil seeds. Golden revolution refers to increased pulse production.
Fill in the blanks using the words given below. Green revolution, food grains, FOOD, food grains, GRAINS. Blue revolution, fish, FISH. Silver revolution, egg, EGG. Golden revolution, honey, HONEY. Yellow revolution, oil seeds, OILSEEDS.
Come on students, let us learn about poultry management. POULTRY, poultry management, MANAGEMENT. Poultry birds need a clean environment. The following measures should be taken in order to avoid diseases. So what are the following methods? Come on students, let us learn. Poultry houses should be clean and disinfected. Disinfected means they are the chemical agents designed to inactivate or destroy microorganisms. It should have windows for ventilation. Proper ventilation has to be provided. Light is essential for high egg production. Poultry birds need clean and fresh water. We have to provide the birds with clean and fresh water. Timely vaccination is necessary to prevent diseases. We have to provide vaccination. If we are following this steps, we can economically benefited by this poultry birds. Come on students, let's do the evaluation.
How will you manage a poultry farm? Poultry birds need a clean environment. The following measures should be taken in order to avoid diseases. Poultry houses should be clean and disinfected. It should have windows for ventilation. Light is essential for high egg production. Poultry birds need clean and fresh water. Timely vaccination is necessary to prevent diseases. Write a note on poultry farm. In poultry farms, avian species are reared and bred for the purpose of egg, meat or both.
Students, today we learn about uses of cattle and then we learn about poultry farms. In the poultry farms, we learn about the different breeds of poultry birds. Next, we learn about poultry management. What are the diseases affected by the poultry birds and then what are the uses of poultry management. Thank you students.